Hi guys, it's me again. I'm going to do a little tip video for you here. As most of you probably know, on a cuckoo clock, they usually just have a hole that's drilled in the wood for you to hang it on, and that wood's not very thick. So what I like to do is put your little hanger on here held on by 2 screws, and that'll help considerably. So you figure. But yeah, this is gonna be a really short video. That's all I really wanted to show you. But thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope this tip helps you. And see you in the next one. Bye bye.